Good morning! It's been a long time since we did a video, and I'm gonna try to see if I could do at least once a week video. And today, gawin natin ang Chorizo de Cebu. And we are going to make this from scratch. So you guys could learn how to make this from scratch. I have here pork belly. So my Chorizo de Cebu is half pork belly and half ground pork. So a total of 6 pounds. So about 3 kilos of meat. And then after we grind this pork belly, we'll mix it with the ground pork that we buy at the grocery store. So, and then I will show you how I mix this together and the process of making it. Okay, ang first step natin, we have to remove the skin so that our chorizo wouldn't have the skin. You don't want to bite into a skin. So you just, actually it's best to do this while it's still frozen. But I forgot to do it then. So just gonna have to bear with it. At saka itong balat, we'll make a chicharon out of this too. So we don't waste the skin. Maski that's not good for sa atin na may mga hypertension. Pero mayroon naman iba makakain ito. Chicharon natin ito. Oops. It's really takes more doing kasi to out na itong natin pork belly. Kaya mas mahirap na siya i-scrape yung balat kasi yung frozen pa siya. But here you go. Ayan, wala na yung balat. Kasi sa chorizo, we need the fat to make the chorizo. Yun ang nakapasarap ng chorizo, yung taba. Parang the ano nito, yung taba niya is what makes the chorizo taste good. Okay. Itong balat, gawin natin chicharon. Okay. Okay, ngayon ihalo na natin yung ground pork at saka yung pork belly. Okay. At malinis na yung kamay ko. Ang after natin dito sa pork belly, we are after the little bit of fat. That's what make the chorizo really good. So, let's just mix this together. The first thing that we need to put in here is the garlic. Garlic is really what makes our chorizo. I put a lot of garlic in here. This is what makes our... Okay. Sugar. Ang daming sugar nito. Okay. And then this is our pepper and salt. I mix them together. White. We put white pepper in this. And then I don't use MSG. My MSG substitute is the mushroom seasoning. No MSG. And then of course our banana ketchup. Halo-halo lang lahat. We just have to mix all of this together. And then our evaporated milk. And our cheese. Very special itong chorizo natin. Okay. Then, mix, mix, mix. Halo-halo lahat. Mix. Okay, now we just got done mixing it, and what we do is we let it soak for at least half an hour.